Hello everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary, Dose 32. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, furore. Friends, furore means very angry or excited reaction by people to something. Its Hindi meaning is krodh. Now its sentence, the security leaks have caused a widespread furore. Its synonym is tumult. The next word that I have for you is turmoil. Friends, turmoil means a state of great disturbance or confusion. Its Hindi meaning is uthal-puthal. Now look at its sentence. The country is in state of political turmoil. Its synonym is disorder. The next word is conundrum. Conundrum means a confusing and difficult problem or question. Its Hindi meaning is paheli. Now look at its sentence. It is also one of the most difficult conundrums for the experts. Its synonym is mystery. The next word is repercussions. Repeat after me, repercussions. It means the consequence of an event or action. Its Hindi meaning is natija ya fir prabhav. Now look at its sentence. She said the repercussions were terrible. Its synonym is result, or you can say outcome. The next word that I have for you is thwart. Thwart means to stop something from happening. Its Hindi meaning is nakam banana. Now look at its sentence. She did this to thwart his plans. Its synonym is impede. Moving to our next word, envisage. Friends, envisage means predict. Its Hindi meaning is bhavishyavani karna. Now its sentence, nobody can envisage the consequences of nuclear war. Its synonym is forecast. The next word is introspection. Introspection is very important word. It means self-examination. Its Hindi meaning is atma-nirikshan. Now its sentence, quiet introspection can be extremely valuable. Its synonym is self-analysis. The next word is potent. Friends, potent means powerful. Its Hindi meaning is shaktishali. Now look at its sentence. This is a very potent drug. Its synonym is mighty. The next word that I have for you is seed. Friends, seed means to give up. Its Hindi meaning is sopna ya fir tyag dena. Now look at its sentence. We are not ceding this territory anymore. Its synonym is surrender. Last but not least is fallout. Friends, fallout means bad effect, or you can say adverse effect. Its Hindi meaning is vivad or jhagadna. Now look at its sentence. Nearly 300 employees lost their job in the fallout. Its synonym is side effect. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of predict? A. Thwart. B. Turmoil. C. Seed. D. Envisage. Give me answer of this question in comment box.